If you have little or almost no time but you still want to move your body because you know that in menopause, after age of 40, the real game changer is showing up and really moving your body every day. This is a 5-minute workout, no equipment, no weights, although you can still use them. 3 exercises, no rest between exercises, whole body engagement. Just follow me, we start immediately. I'm a menopausal coach and a yoga teacher for women over 40. And on my channel, I'm covering all the aspects on how a woman over 40 can stay fit and strong and prosper in the second half of life. And we start with the wall sit, and I'm using a strap to make my spine and shoulders working as well. So I'm pulling the strap all the time, keeping my arms above the head, and I'm feeling my legs working as well. Try to find the position where your legs are at the 90 degrees angle, more or less. Then you want to feel your spine touching the wall. Activate your abdomen muscle. Breathe. Close your eyes if you want. It will help you to actually relax better your face muscles and your neck. And if you have your face muscles relaxed, your breath will be more stable, and you need to breathe. Go on breathing and pulling your strap. Feel your leg muscles working. Feel your feet that are pushing the floor. And we want to stay here for 60 seconds, 1 minute, and we've done. And now the second exercise, no rest here. We are passing on to push-ups, your variation. So I will show you 2 variations. This one is with the chair and is more difficult, is a medium level. And if you haven't seen yet, go and see my video where I'm showing you step-by-step tutorial on push-ups from zero for women over 40. So we're trying to make 15 reps of our push-ups, and this is the variation I recommend if you are a beginner. Although it's not so banal, it's not so easy. If you are actually keeping your abdomen active, your legs active, and your body as one piece, it will be challenging. And then the third exercise is the calf rise. We're trying to make 45 or even more 60 seconds of this calf rise. And you start here with the perfect posture, abdomen active. Go up, make it at 100%. So when you're going up, you actually do your maximum. And after some time, maybe 20, maybe 30 seconds, you will feel not only your calf muscles, but also your leg muscles and your glutes as well. And when you're feeling tired, try to keep on going and make 3, 4, 5 more reps. So good. And now we do the second set. Wall sit. I'm keeping my legs at 90 degrees and I'm pulling my strap, changing the position of the arms as I'm holding my strap behind me, and breathe. And if you're feeling ready to challenge yourself even more, put your feet together and lift one leg for 8 to 10 seconds. Keep it here, breathe, and then change. And go on changing your legs for the rest of the time that we are holding the posture. Try to breathe. This will activate your abdomen even more. Stay here. It will challenge even more your other leg that is pushing. And don't forget to pull the strap. 1 minute of a wall sit. A super exercise that I love so much because it will make your whole body work. And now the second set of wall push-ups. I'll keep it simple, as even here, if I'm working well, if I have my technique that is perfect, I actually feel my chest muscle, my abdomen working. So Yes, it's a beginner version, but it's not useless. It's activating your muscles. It will help you keep on moving when you actually have little or no time. You don't need to warm up your body to make 15 of these wall push-ups. And now the third exercise, calf raises, go on for 1 minute. Try to resist. When you pass, for me, the more difficult are those last 3 to 5 repetitions. When I'm almost done with 1 minute of calf raises, I actually feel my my calves burning, so I go on for other 3, 4, 5 reps, and then I feel really satisfied. You can actually feel your glutes working as well. And we have finished. Just few movements to help you to release your tension and do some nice stretching for your legs. From here, bend your knees a little bit and just calm your breath. Make some soft twists. And you did it. Your commitment to movement is more important than intensity. It's a game changer in menopause.